Welcome to this tutorial on how to copy only the text from a hyperlink without copying the URL. We will be exploring how to do this in different platforms and text editors. First, let's cover how to do this in web browsers. When you encounter a hyperlink, you can right-click the link and choose Inspect to view the HTML source. Find the tag and copy only the inner text between the opening and closing tags. Next, let's look at Microsoft Word. If you have a hyperlink in Word and want to copy only its text, simply right-click the link and choose Remove Hyperlink. Then you can select the text and copy it without the URL. For Google Docs, you can click the hyperlink, then type something right before or after it. This action often breaks the hyperlink, allowing you to copy only the text. Alternatively, right-click, choose Link, and remove the URL inside. Some text editors with rich text formatting, such as LibreOffice, have similar behavior. Look for Remove or Edit Link options and proceed with cutting the URL out while keeping the text. And that's how you can copy only the text from hyperlinks without capturing the URL. Remember that each platform may be slightly different, so adapt these processes to fit your needs. Thank you for watching.